Yeah, Asante Kotoko classmate for Bakufo. Because Asante Kotoko classmate, omo level no. Al Ahly, Uko Egypt. We are na say can email be say, Oma slash the salary of Omo players no by 25%. Something Asante Kotoko can emulate. Now, this is the gist. Uko Egypt says here now. Omo league now Omo boy drew match day 5. Match day 5 no Omo boy drew no. The giant of Egyptian football, one of the giants of Egyptian football. After 5 games no, Omo da 13th. Al Ahly, Uko Egypt says here now Omo league Omo da 13th. Over the weekend, Pyramids watch nation 2-0. The whole season, we about 5 games and we're winning back. 5 games, no, we're winning back, and we about draw 2. So it's no number 5 points, no. And I think the other one, we lose. It's a bad run. Who be say actually na email me no, I don't be this to share me say. They do things very, very professionally. Sir, omo contract with every player you sign on. There is a clause in the contract saying some money ba for ma na muntimi enya results bia in 5 games omo win ba ko say omo salary no yet so by 25%. So as you can see on the screen and on the wall. So my main kind man we are not matching kakra amount Al Ahly and as you can see on the screen or say Al Ahly have slashed 25% of the player's salary for August following the dismissal and I said dismal start to the 2025-2026 season, having managed just a win after 4 matches in the Egyptian Premier League. They have just 5 points in a possible 12. This is in accordance with some of the clauses in their respective contracts. And down. And no, and down. So, Al Ahly, Adiomaye, Asante Kotoko and Penny for some more promise. We can have the same clause in our contracts. Yes. Al Ahly make us 5 games by 4 games. We can have the same contracts with players now. Inti yakoba senyoma nkoye enya fina. Hey. Enya fina coach raya producer bi aba o ma biskache but oba obeseme fire. And what be medidi. So it's a bit my the same thing. You bet buy the same thing. Near your shapeless the contract. We say some performance ne back for ma almost salary the yet so. And one no the producer about any didn't go be service.